Hi, I'm Rose and this is my review for this Fridgemaster American style fridge freezer which was delivered to me by AO. I must say the AO delivery drivers were absolutely brilliant. They took my old appliance away and because this is on wheels they were able to bring it in really easily and then just slide it into place. As you can see, it's a bit of an eye catcher in my kitchen. It's got these big, strong, sturdy doors, and when you open it, straight away you notice this LED lighting which makes it look really, really impressive. So let's start with the fridge first. As you can see, there is absolutely loads of space in here. There are these glass shelves which you can easily move around to suit your needs, placing them at different heights. This fridge freezer also comes with these handy racks for example eggs or for other things for you to use. There are also two large drawers for your fruit and for your vegetables. These are a really, really good size. They are more than double the size of my last fridge freezer, and I absolutely love these because it might encourage us as a family to buy more fruit and veg, and that can only be a good thing. The compartments on this side are, I think, also a good size. Some fridges have a really tight space here for your larger bottles of milk, but the space here is roomy, but not so much that you've got things that could topple over. There's two more handy compartments here for your jars or bottles, and then there is this water tank, or the water dispenser as it's called in the handbook. It's really easy to fill. All you need to do is turn this anti-clockwise and then you can pour your water in there, and then once that's done you turn it back clockwise to lock that in place, or you can take off the whole top plastic compartment and pour in water that way. If you have a look at the water dispenser on the outside, it has a really clever little lock here. It's a child lock, so once that's locked you can't have little fingers that might come along and have a play with that to make a mess, so it avoids that. So that's really, really handy to have. So now moving on to the freezer. Again, there is so much space in here, and there are these handy compartments here on the door which I'm using for bread at the moment, and there are these large drawers at the bottom for your fish products or for your chips or potato products, whatever you want to use them for, and for your meat. Also in this freezer you get this ice box which we have absolutely loved playing with, as we haven't had one of these before. All you need to do is fill in the ice box with water, and then you turn these, that drops the ice into the bottom, and then you can of course take this whole tray away with you to use the ice. On the front, when you first switch on this fridge freezer, the temperatures are already set at 4 degrees for the fridge and minus 18 degrees for the freezer. When this light is illuminated, that's the artificial intelligence icon, the temperatures are set like this. And this is now locked, and you can tell that from that locked sign. But of course you can adjust these temperatures to suit your needs. If I want to, for example, change the fridge temperature, that's the fridge, that's the freezer, I press. First of all, I need to unlock this, so I'm going to hold down the unlock button for 3 seconds. Then I'm going to press fridge, and then if I keep pressing that, I can take it to the temperature that I want to set. I'm going to leave it at 4 degrees. This at the top here is the super cool function, which is handy for keeping food fresh for a longer amount of time. And on the freezer, this here is your super freeze function. I really like this because you can lock in the vitamins and the nutrients of your fresh foods, keeping them fresh for longer. This will now automatically lock after 20 seconds if I don't press anything else with the last temperatures that I've put in. All in all, I can't fault this Fridgemaster American fridge freezer. It's more than adequate for my family, and I hope it's with us for many years to come.